Hey guys, so a week ago I posted this video on my social media asking you all whether you would like to see how I do my makeup removal regime. It is a lot to do with the products that I use and also the after removal, that is the kind of products I apply to close my pores. Is because what happens is when you use these products your pores are open, so after using these products you even have to ensure that you close the pores. You all are going to see how I remove my makeup. This video is going to be all about Sasta, Sundar and Tikau. Yes, that's how I describe this video. The products that I'm using are easily available in the market. They are not that expensive yet extremely effective. So starting with the one that I use to remove my base is Garnier Masala. It's oil infused, so it helps me remove the waterproof makeup that I wear. So and it comes for $3.99, 400 ml. You can easily find it at any chemist or any beauty center. The next product that I'll be using for my eyelashes, so because I don't use false eyelashes, I use a waterproof mascara. So it becomes a little difficult to remove with Garnier. I end up losing my eyelashes a bit. So it is recommended to use Biotique's Bio Almond Oil. It's one of the bestest product, rather a blessing for people who use waterproof mascara. You get it for $175. That's it, and I buy it from Nykaa, so which is even more easier for me because you get it on some sale and discounts. The third product that I use after removing my entire makeup is the Garnier White Complete. It helps you wash, that is, it deep cleans your face. It also acts as a scrub, so just in case if you have any product left in your pores, this helps you out. And third is a mask. So this also acts as a mask. You can clearly see it's a 3-in-1 product, so it's a blessing. Also, it saves a lot of time. You get this in the market for $185. So we start with, I take this cotton ball, I just take a little bit of it. There you go. And all I do is shake, 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 shake. Yes, you got it right. I shake it harder, mix the oil in it because it's oil infused, take a little product. All you have to do is just place it and keep moving. Just gently keep moving. You can literally see so much product, right? So the entire product from your face is. So now that I've removed my foundation base, I'll go to my lips, off my, just run it through my lower eyelashes, and I am through. I'm through with my base removing. The next step I do is I go ahead with the Biotique Almond Oil. Just in case if you think that these eyelashes are my real eyelashes, no, they aren't. It's all thanks to this mascara that I use from Maybelline. So that really helps me a lot. All I'm going to do is just take a little oil on my fingers, little, and just start massaging my eyelashes. And it's going to be gently. Obviously it's not going to be like you're washing or scrubbing any vessels. If they're your eyes, you gotta be gentle and you gotta go and move your fingers over your eyelashes. And all you have to do is just keep rub, 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 rub. Yeah, that's all you have to do. Yeah, I end up looking like panda most of the time. Like, look at this. Just keep doing that until you know that you've got rid of the product on your eye, or the product on your eye has melted successfully. See? There you go. Remove the black thing gently from your eye. And finally, this is how I look without makeup. Yes. Coming to what I do after this, it's up to you. to go ahead and take steam. Alright, I will not take today, but just in case if you feel that you need to go ahead and open your pores and then scrub, you may please feel free to do so. I generally do that, but since I've already taken steam last night, I don't wish to take it again. That will just dry up my skin. Let's move on to what I will do next. I'll take little water, just apply all over my face. Gently. Please do it gently. Initially even I used to be like, you can't really do that. It's your skin, which is extremely delicate. And I will now use my product, the product, right? Like, you don't have to carry another face wash for this, you don't have to carry another scrub for this, you don't even have to carry another face pack for this. This acts 3 in 1. Not that I'm promoting this product, but I really love this product, right? So go for it, Ankita. We go ahead, take a little product, not more than this. Little product. So let's get going. All you have to do is treat it like a circular motion, right? You'll feel little granules of the scrub all over your face, little by little, but do it gently please, and keep doing this, right? You gotta do this for 2 minutes until you feel that you've actually removed all the dirt from your face. Yes, well, I believe this, that you should remove your makeup, and it is a must. Do not ever no matter how tired you are, really, like, no matter how tired you are, you have to first remove and then go off to sleep. A lot of people even prefer removing it with their with oil first. See, that completely depends on the layers of makeup you're wearing, right? For my gigs, I have to wear makeup, like I wear layers, or rather a layer of foundation or 2 layers of foundation to hide all my pimples and correct all my spots. So I don't use concealer, I use foundation only, and that sort of helps me. So I ensure that I don't just use oil, I use a good product. And at the end of the day, I mean, 345 rupees is better than spending thousands and 2000 rupee on a particular makeup remover. All you have to do is allow it to dry up for another 5 minutes. Wait for it to dry up. Once you think that this is dried up completely, go wash your face. Preferably wash it with ice cold water, because your open pores will then go ahead and close, right? Anyway, this product acts as a mask, so it's got your back, don't worry. Well, I'll see you in next a few seconds with my cleared face. Thank you. Hey, look me, finally. Yes, so this is my face after all my skincare regime. So this is a tiny little bottle of astringent. All I do is, after washing my face, I just spray little and just pat it on my face so that all the open pores are closed. Here I am, back done. Well, my friends, this was my makeup removal routine. Well, I hope you loved or liked this video. I have tried my level best to give the best shot. In case if you have any queries about any substitute of these products that I use, I am more than happy to research it and help you with a very good feedback. But honestly, I decided to take up products which are pocket friendly and easily available in the market. For now, this is my no makeup look. And once again, thank you so much. All I request you is like, comment and subscribe to my channel. If you loved the video, please go ahead and share it, and do let me know in case if there's any specific video that you want me to work on. For example, if you want me to work on how to do or how to enhance your eyebrows, I will do it for you. You want to go ahead and understand how to do contouring, I will do it for you. Or any other makeup trick you want me to go ahead and research and do it for you, I will do it for you in the most easiest manner. Thank you so much. Keep watching.